Hey guys, so what's up? Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to copy this key in this machine, and this is the Walmart machine that make your key. So let me start copying the key. Copy key.
Insert your key below. Please insert
sure,
your key below with the
insert.
top facing up.
So I am going to insert the key in this hole. Now it's going to copy this. The key is currently scanning now. So currently key is in scan mode. You see?
Select your new keys.
So I need to select my new key. I just want one key, so I am going to press this one. I need one key, and then just make my key. Now I just need to pay by credit card, so I'm going to pay that here. In progress right now. As you can see, it's copying now. It's going to copy. I think machine is making my key. It's done. I think copy key is done. Okay, so now I have my key from here. I just need to pick it.
Don't fly out without your keys.
So key is
Please
done.
remove your key and rest safe.
So now I just need to remove my original key. So both keys done. You see, both keys done. Very easy process to copy key in 1 minute. I like it. So hope you do guys like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.